Hey guys, it's Joseph here. Today I'm going to be doing the FIFA 16 pack opening once again. And yeah, let's go. And I've already just started it and it looks like I've got it in form already. Oh my god. It looks like I've got it in form already. But it's the deadest in form ever. Yeah, let's go. Next pack. This is the best packs I've ever done. Before this video, I actually showed you that I've got inform Neymar. Highs in a 64k. Oh, this is a dead pack. Oh, I'm going inform Fletcher. Okay, that's okay. From Fletcher. $106k. Oh, this is dead, man. These packs have been dead. I've got John Terry just to spice up a bit. Jesus. Can't believe this. What's happened? I'll never go back. There you go. Good. 540k. Oh my god, there's a good player in this pack. Woo! There's a good player. He's got 500k or something. I didn't even see. No, I didn't even see. Who did I get in that pack? Oh, I didn't even get to see it, guys. $540k again. Oh my god, I got another 540k. I got a goalkeeper. No, stop coming up. Now I can't get my pack again. Why did this guy keep on popping up? He's ugly. Crisito. What the flip are you looking at? This guy keeps on popping up. Come on. I don't want to see your ugly face. I want my pack. Yeah, thank you. Now let me see my pack. I got a goalkeeper. I packed Neuer. Yes, guys, I packed Neuer. Yes, guys. Let's open another pack. Oh, flipping hell. This is so exciting. I've actually got so much good pack luck before this video. Come on. I want more pack luck. I want more. Come on. Oh, it's not even that good. Come on, man. Oh! I'm going form. Soriano. No, I can't take this anymore. People keep on popping up. Look, I don't like to look at your ugly pimple nose. No, man, it's the same pack. Next pack. Next pack. Oh, come on. I need a good one. Oh my god, we got a good one. We got a good one, guys. 445k. Come on. Nah, man. This needs to stop now. I didn't get to see my pack. Nah, this is stupid. I didn't get to see it. Nah, my thing's getting glitchy. I got informed Lamella, but I don't care. I don't care, man. Wait. Are you seeing this, guys? Did you just see that? What the hell's happening? Now I'm going to show it to you again, guys. Just going to show it to you again. Look. I packed my informed Neymar. I couldn't believe it, guys. I packed informed Neymar. It's worth 2 million. Look at it. I'm not being real. Look. No, I'm being real. No lies. Should we go on foothead now? Cool then, let's go on foothead. Go open some foothead packs. Yeah. Let's open it. Come on. Whoa. Wait. Let's open these foothead packs. And yeah, let's go. I got Mini Minter again. Andy Carroll. Okay, from Jonas. Okay. That's an alright pack. Got one good player in there, informed Jonas. Got Jesus. What the flip is that X on his head? Are you seeing this, guys? There's an X on his head. Look, let me show you. There's an X on his head. There is actually an X on Glenn Johnson's head. This is getting weird. This is getting so weird. It's getting so weird, guys. Got an X on his head. Let's go for it. Oh, got that was terrible. I can see him, guys. Same as you. Yeah. 234 height. Oh, I really can't. I really hate these. I've still got informed Neymar in the pack. I couldn't believe it. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe if you're new. And yeah. See ya.